Now I'd like to turn to your new position as Chief Executive of the Precision Health Technology Accelerator, PHTA. Can you tell us a bit more about it and about what your job will involve?
So we're developing a huge life sciences campus, and they're dedicated obviously to life sciences, which is a 10-acre site. And it's situated 5 minutes from University of Birmingham and 5 minutes from one of the largest hospital in the UK, Queen Elizabeth Birmingham. I mean 5 minutes, 5 minutes walk. And the idea is for us to encourage life sciences businesses to develop and grow. And so the PHTA, Precision Health Technology Accelerator, is what its name is Accelerator. My job, the building is being built as we speak, opens up in 18 months' time. 70,000 square feet. The whole campus will be 700,000 square feet. And our job is to bring innovators and entrepreneurs into the region, into those buildings, so they can collaborate, not just with themselves, but also collaborate with our clinicians and with our academics. And my job is to, certainly in phase one, where the PHTA will be based, is to encourage that. We see the first building for the PHTA to be part of is to be like a gateway to access our experts in the hospital, our experts in the university. We forget, over the last 25, 30 years, all the innovative medicines that were launched in Europe, most of them were actually kind of developed or overseen by somebody based in the UK, because either the MHRA was involved or our experts were involved. And our experts are the hospitals, the clinicians, the academics. And so we've got a wealth of expertise, and we want to make sure that we have that kind of access.
Could you say a little bit more about precision health technology and what that means in practice?
I also want to make sure the right patients get the right medicine. There's been a big debate now about precision. That's what precision healthcare means. But it used to mean the right drug at the right dose at the right time at the right cost. But actually, it's the right patient. What Birmingham has 6 million population, has a stable population. Okay. And 30% ethnicity, so it means you've got a diverse patient population, ideal for investigating new medicines and innovative treatments, which is what you need. Proper clinical trials done in a proper representative patient population will be absolutely crucial in developing latest breakthrough treatments and medicines, and that's what we're trying to do. Anybody who's worked in the industry like I have understands that clinical trials is the lifeblood. And if you're not actually testing it in the appropriate population, then actually, guess what? Patient benefit will be hampered, and that's what we're trying to overcome as well. So my role as the chief exec is to bring in new businesses, encourage more startups from the universities in the region, from the hospitals, but more importantly, connect those individuals who need access to our key opinion leaders, either the guys working at the university and the guys working in the Birmingham Health Partners, which is a big trust, conglomerate of trusts of hospitals in and around the West Midlands.
And could you comment on the value or relevance of pharmaceutical expertise in the context of translational medicine?
The whole definition of translation is they'll talk molecule to bedside. Well, think about what pharmacists do. We're right in that sweet spot of actually development bit, right to the patient, and that's where I feel pharmacists play value. Certainly in my lifetime, I mean, I'm hitting the 50s now. I've seen the role of pharmacists increase in industry. When I first started, you couldn't be a pharmacy secretary unless you're a medic. Well, that's changed. You could be a QP pharmacologist. Well, that's changed. You can't be a pharmacist. Pharmacists couldn't lead clinical trials. Well, that's changed as well. Pharmacists are leading clinical trials. So it has really changed quite dramatically in our favour. And of course, we still, understand dosage form design, And guess what? Biological agents require more care and attention than in small inorganic molecules. So I mean, all these biologicals that are very susceptible to shear, to shaking, that kind of good stuff. Our skills are needed now more than any other time.